Messenger, how to add contact. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we will learn how we can add contact on Messenger, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to add a contact on Messenger, all you have to do is open Messenger. Now sometimes you don't have to do anything. If you have a contact saved on your phone, Messenger will automatically, if you have allowed the permission, actually extract the account from your contacts or from your Facebook friends list. Now you can check this by tapping the three lines option, tapping the gear icon here, going to the option called privacy and safety, and from here onwards what you actually want to do is you can see restricted, blocked accounts and so on. So you can also go to hidden contacts and you can find the contacts that you have allowed over here. Otherwise you can just go to this option called photos and media, and it also allows all those permissions. Otherwise what you can do is you can try simply searching for that person. If they are added in your friends list, that's perfectly fine. If it doesn't, you can also try searching for them, because Messenger will automatically do that. You don't have the option to of course enter a phone number like WhatsApp and Telegram does, but they will by default automatically extract those people's names. And hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.